Have you ever stepped into the sunlight and suddenly felt the urge to sneeze? Welcome to the world of the photic sneeze reflex, a peculiar phenomenon where exposure to bright light triggers sneezing. Surprisingly, this response affects up to 35% of the population and is believed to have a genetic basis. Scientists are fascinated by how this reflex, seemingly irrelevant to survival, continues to persist through generations. Understanding it unlocks insights into sensory processing and genetic variations among humans. Watch on to unravel how this biological quirk intertwines with everyday experiences, impacting individuals in unexpected ways.